Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. This is Todd with Industrial Comfort. Now, if you're creating a frame joint, whether for a picture frame, a door frame, a window frame, etc., more often than not, you're probably going to create a miter joint. And a miter joint is a 45-degree angle on either board that creates a 90-degree angle on the frame itself. It's a great joint, it looks sophisticated, and you're creating much more surface area on the contact surface here, as opposed to a butt joint like this, which is where the two ends just come together like this. Now, if you're creating a frame that for some reason has two different width boards, like this and this, you'll notice that a 45-degree cut is not going to work. So I'm going to show you a super easy and fast way to create a miter joint just like this from two different width boards. It couldn't be any easier. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, I've got the two pieces of wood that I want to use to join together. Now, as you can see, they're obviously different sizes. Now, as I mentioned, this process couldn't be any easier. You're simply going to orient the two pieces of wood in the direction that you're going to create your joint, and then you're going to overlay the two pieces together. Now, I'm using another piece of, happens to be MDF, just to block the two, to make sure that I'm getting everything lined up correctly. I'm just going to take my pencil and I'm going to scribe a line showing you where the overlap is. I'm going to do the same thing on this piece of wood. So again, I'm just going to block these, make sure I got everything lined up. And I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to scribe a line. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is take a straight edge. And you want to make sure that you have the appropriate, you're going to be creating the miter joint this way. So I'm merely going to take the straight edge and mark a line right here. I'm going to mark the material that I'm going to cut off, and I'm going to do the same thing on this one, taking it from the corner all the way across just like this. I'm going to take over to the miter saw. I'm going to make the cuts, remove the material, and we'll see what we come up with. With the two angles now cut on these pieces of wood with different thicknesses, you can see that we were able to very simply create a perfect miter joint. As you can see, this process couldn't have been any easier, and it creates a beautiful joint using two different width boards. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.